Hey guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you guys an app called Muvimi, Muvimi. I'll have this app down in the description. I went through a lot of applications, guys, and basically this is for animation wise on your iOS device, your iPhone. This is my favorite app. I love it, and I think you guys are gonna love it also. This is, like I said, it's not easy to find a good app in the App Store that basically you can use to animate your videos. It's not the best. What the one thing this app is missing is like to make your own background. Like you just take a picture or something, and then you use that as your background for like your characters. So other than that, it has like regular backgrounds. It just doesn't have like a background. You can just take a picture of anywhere and use that as a background. That would be amazing if it did. But other than that, it's amazing. So you got like different like sceneries right here. Also, you guys you go to the human thing right here, the people thing. We actually could create our character, so I think that's pretty cool. So I just created a knight guy. You just go back and we just tap on the plus right here, and we actually create a person. So you see right now it's going to create just a random person for us, and we just basically change it around, change the skin color, all that good stuff. Tap here. We actually could do that and do that. So we can do that, and we can just basically change it. And now we can do that. Yeah, we'll get a robber in here. So you see there's many, you have a lot of customization for your characters, which I really like about this app. And now when we create our characters, you create as much as you want, I guess. And you have to go back, and now we can choose scenery. So you choose any of these. You can choose the sci-fi adventure, hometown drama, fantasy, tales. We just choose one of them. And we have different backgrounds. So basically, you have different backgrounds for each scenery. And let's say you just want to choose this one. I'm just going to buy it. Okay. Now we are going to go into that background, that scenery. So you see that's the background. I'll move this down here for you. And you kind of just mess around with it. You also could record. So you press on the top right to record, volume, go back. And you can add that. You can add like sceneries anywhere you want. Also, you can add people. So you guys like your people to it. So it's kind of like it's a moving shot. So it's pretty cool. There's so much you could do with it. I'm going to go back. And now we're going to go to just another one. Alright, so we're going to do another one. And now we can just, like I said, drag it. You can put like our stuff anywhere we want. And now we can actually go here. And we go. They could do different stuff, like different gestures. You can do nothing. You could be sleeping. Just whatever you want. Go back. And we can just add more stuff everywhere. Got our people. And we actually could add more people in. So we add all people in if you want. We add one of them, two of them, three of them. Give each one. You can't really see the face, but. Change them left and right. And then you can just basically like record. So like, it takes a little time obviously to make animations, but you could create your scenery, and then you could create your characters, and you could basically like zoom in, all that stuff. And you can you could basically just record and screen record or record through the app and make your animation movie or video. So I think it's really cool. Like I said, the only thing I'm missing is taking a picture and then adding that to the background. But thanks so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.